Hey, Oreo. Hey, hey, hey. So today what we're gonna do is we're redoing my best friend Reagan's Backsplash, and we're gonna be using this Dollar Tree Backsplash. And how many packs do we have?
Girl, like 10.
About 10 packs for this kitchen, and we're gonna do her backsplash now. So we'll show you how we use something that's only $1 and make it look really good in your kitchen.
So now we're checking to see if it is runner friendly. This first set of Backsplash is from Dollar Tree too, and it's been up for a little bit over a year.
Oh, it's coming off clean. I'm doing it slow because I don't want to rip the paint off.
Okay.
So far, this is super runner friendly.
Oh, look, it's just a plain wall. Oh, wait. And you will need a screwdriver to take your outlet covers out. Oh, wow. It really is coming off clean.
Yeah, it's coming off real clean.
I'm so excited. And so this is what it looks like after it's been removed.
Wait.
So, what?
No, I'm talking about me with this damn thing.
So no, it's not sticky at all. There's no kind of
No
residue.
You don't even have to wipe it down. You just put the other stuff back on.
All for $1.
Well, this is cute. I was looking for this in Dollar Tree yesterday and I didn't see none. Maybe I was in the wrong section.
When people buy them, they buy a lot. So this is how big the sheet is. It's pretty big.
For reference, I'm 5'4".
Yeah.
So it's pretty big.
All right. Mitchell, hush up. So you have to hold it up first and feel for the plate. The wall plate, like where it would go.
Right here.
And then that's when you use your marker to mark the 4 corners of the plate. Oh, I think your boo daddy texts you.
Who my boo daddy? What?
Sicario.
Who?
And now you need the scissors.
This is where it was? Okay.
So now you're just gonna wait. Was this?
Yeah.
No, you don't want to do that. You want it to be around this part right here. So like, it's just gonna have dots on it now. I don't care. It's gonna blend in.
So we're doing this over because apparently I fucked up.
So you're just gonna do it like just the plug.
Oh yeah, so the outlet can over it.
Plug.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're so smart.
Not really. I just have done this before. But thank you.
You're welcome.
So now you're just gonna stab it through. It's a little tough. And it's okay if you wrinkle it, it'll straighten back out. Just like that. It don't have to be straight because no one's gonna see this because it's gonna be under the wall plate. So if you're not good at arts and crafts, it doesn't matter. So you just want it. I might have to cut it a little bit more because you want to be able to see the screws. So I'm gonna cut it like a little bit more at the top and a little bit more at the bottom, but that's about it.
Okay, so this is our finished product. I think this looks, I like the other one, but this one looks a lot better with their appliances. So that's it, you guys. We'll be charging $5,000 per Backsplash.
How many packs you have?
Oh, how many packs do we have? We had 1 pack left, so we used 9 packs because we had to like use some to fill in this. and like the back part of the backsplash, but you know, it kind of camouflages so you can't really see it. And this corner right here. But I think it looks good. We are pleased with the result.